Welcome back everyone to our week 6 instructions for our unit 2 on waves. This whole unit you've been learning about what waves are from the transverse and longitudinal to what that means in regards to the world we live in and beyond our world in the way we use sound and the way we use sight and light. So you've done a great job thus far, and we have definitely come a long way in learning about that. And last week we looked specifically at Helen Keller, who was mute and deaf. So she actually overcame these obstacles through the help of other people. And this week we're going to go more into the helping side of things. So you've learned the content. Now you get to go above and beyond and start thinking of what you can do to help people. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is you're going to log into the Discovery Education website and make sure it's the Waukesha Discovery Education website. And you're going to watch the video to the right called Bionic Eyes and Ears. And for those of you that were in e-session last week, you had the opportunity to build a bionic arm. So some of you might already have a little bit of a head start. So we're going to think about, through this video, how scientists and doctors are helping people. What I want you to do then is you're going to create a presentation, and it could be a Google slideshow, a Prezi, or a VoiceThread that synthesizes and shows ways in which you can help those in need right now. So as the person you are today, what you can do. So remember, it's not about doing the big things and creating arms and creating bionic eyes. That's what doctors and scientists are doing, but there are so many different things that we talked about last week in the e-session that you can be using. And we'll be talking about those as well in the e-session this week. In your presentation, make sure to have a title page. Also make sure to list and show at least 3 different ways you can help the visually impaired, and you can do that through making a video of yourself or finding a picture or video. At least 3 different ways in which you can help the hearing impaired, and that's the same thing. Make sure you have a video or a picture. And the last requirement here is make sure that you do have pictures or videos of each of the examples that you give here. So it's a pretty easy presentation to create. Remember, these can be small things. They don't have to be going above and beyond, but simple things, and I used in the e-session as an example, helping someone across the street. Something simple like that. The other thing that you're going to be doing today, or this week, is compiling all of your Unit 2 poetry, and you're going to go through it and make sure that it all makes sense, it's all completed, and that it's in one spot. Make sure that you proofread all of your poems, maybe read them out loud, and make sure to check for spelling and punctuation. After this week, since this is the last week, your teacher will be grading this for a grade.